had a lot of people tell me they just don't like beets. I have had a hard time liking beets too, because it's a very thick and robust kind of vegetable, don't you agree? So one way to really enjoy your beets is to put the OG on your beets. Oh my gosh. Now you've gone from sort of a good vegetable that tastes great to a vegetable that has a very rich taste. So rich that it will just melt in your mouth. So I suggest you put this on your beet, and then you can experience beet at its best. Beets are very meaty. So what is really cool to have on beets is some marinade. So now it just mixes beautifully on your beets. You can't beat this beet. That's right. Enjoy your beets today.